is a breathtaking place, vibrant, diverse, and teeming with incredible life. But now, this natural beauty is under an urgent threat: climate change. In the world today, it is one of the most serious global challenges. It affects the whole environment, the ecosystems, and human health. It is something that everyone wants to stop now, a way to protect our future and the future of the next generations. But how will we be able to fight climate change if we don't care about our environment? How will we be able to save the earth if we don't act now? That's when the title, Climate Crossroads, the short documentary of how science, technology, and society shape our future, comes in.
According to a recent report published in Bioscience, the World with Nature, we are stepping into a critical and unpredictable new phase of the climate crisis. Scientists warn.
Current global policies have put Earth on a dangerous path toward approximately 2.7 degrees Celsius of warming by the year 2100. That's far beyond the internationally agreed limit of 1.5 degrees Celsius.
We are no longer waiting for the climate crisis to arrive. We are living it now.
This is not just a warning. It's a call to action for governments, for communities, and for each of us. The future depends on what we do today.
Every issue has two sides, and so does climate change. And today, we'll look at it. Let's start with the pros. We can't deny the fact that science and technology are powerful tools in our fight against climate change.
They give us ways to create clean energy, monitor environmental changes, and reduce emissions. These advantages help in improving health by mitigating air pollution, and foster economic growth by driving innovations like electric vehicles, carbon capture, and climate-resilient crops. It also enhances energy security by using renewable energy that relies on gas, making energy supplies more efficient.
But we shouldn't forget that constant another story. The downside of the story that will shake our world if we don't take action. So the technology alone isn't enough. For instance, mining materials for batteries can harm the environment. And building big wind and solar farms takes up a lot of land, which could affect nature and farming. It also increases heat waves that leads to higher mortality rates among vulnerable populations. It causes extreme weather events and can disrupt our ecosystems and
Where do we begin?
We begin with the earth beneath our feet. By protecting forests, replanting what was lost, and letting the land breathe again. We begin in our cities by turning concrete into green, roofs into gardens, and streets into safe spaces for people and nature alike.
We drive change with the power of nature, sunlight, wind, and water to fuel a cleaner, brighter future. We transform our farms into forces of restoration, using regenerative practices that revive the soil, protect pollinators, and nourish the communities. And we design homes and cities built to endure resilience, adaptable, and ready for tomorrow.
Let's give nature space to breathe again. Every tree planted is a promise. Every restored reef, a lifeline. Every protected forest, a legacy.
Waste is a resource we haven't fully tapped yet. It's time to rethink how we consume. By reducing our use, reusing materials, and recycling more, we can shrink the carbon footprint of production and landfills.
We make climate education as a foundation. So, every child grows up, their understanding is not just the science, but their power to shape the future.
Despite all the extreme weather we experience, floods that flow into the land, fires that bring intense heat, hurricanes that cause widespread damage, and wind farms that lead to habitat loss, there is still hope.
A hope that lies in awareness, takes roots in our actions, and grows stronger in the unity of people coming together.
Hope is found in the hands of young innovators, in the minds of researchers who refuse to give up, and in the communities finding strength in unity. Around the world, people are restoring forests, rethinking the way we build, and finding harmony between progress and preservation.
We see hope in regenerative agriculture healing our soil, in cities turning to green infrastructure, and in global partnership working to cut emissions and lift up vulnerable populations. It lives in every breakthrough, whether it's a new form of clean energy, a community-led conservation effort, or a child learning the value of the earth for the first time.
This is not just a fight to stop climate change, it's a movement to build a world that's cleaner, kinder, and full of promise for